Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the introduction to AWS. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in web services. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page and Instagram as well. Friend, AWS, Amazon Web Services, is a comprehensive evolving cloud computing platform provided by Amazon that includes a mixture of infrastructure as a service (IaaS), platform as a service (PaaS), and packaged software as a service (SaaS) offerings. AWS services can offer an organization tools such as compute power, database storage, and content delivery services. AWS launched in 2006 from the internal infrastructure that Amazon.com built to handle its online retail operations. AWS was one of the first companies to introduce a pay-as-you-go cloud computing model that scales to provide users with compute, storage, or throughput as needed. AWS offers many different tools and solutions for enterprises and software developers that can be used in data centers in up to 190 countries. Groups such as government agencies, education institutions, non-profits, and private organizations can use AWS services. How AWS works? AWS is separated into different services. Each can be configured in different ways based on the user's need. Users should be able to see configuration options and individual server maps for an AWS service. More than 100 services comprise the Amazon Web Services portfolio, including those for compute, database, infrastructure management, application development, and security. These services by category include compute, storage, database, data management, migration, hybrid cloud, networking, development tools, management, monitoring, security, governance, big data management, analytics, artificial intelligence, mobile development, messages, and notification. Availability. Amazon Web Services provides services from dozens of data centers spread across availability zones (AZS) in regions across the world. An AZ is a location that contains multiple physical data centers. A region is a collection of AZ in geographical proximity connected by low latency network links. A business will choose one or multiple availability zones for a variety of reasons, such as compliance and proximity to end customers. For example, an AWS customer can spin up virtual machines (VMs) and replicate data in different AZs to achieve a highly reliable infrastructure that is resistant to failures of individual servers or an entire data center. Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud (EC2) is a service that provides virtual servers called EC2 instances for compute capacity. The EC2 service offers dozens of instance types with varying capacities and sizes, tailored to specific work types and applications, such as memory intensive and accelerated computing jobs. AWS also provides an auto scaling tool to dynamically scale capacity to maintain instance health and performance. Storage. Amazon Simple Storage Service (S3) provides scalable object storage for data backup, collection, and analytics. An IT professional store data and files as S3 objects, which can range up to 5 gigabits GB inside S3 buckets to keep them organized. A business can save money with S3 through its infrequent access storage tier or by using Amazon Glacier for long-term cold storage. Amazon Elastic Block Store provides block level storage volumes for persistent data storage when using EC2 instances. Amazon Elastic File System offers managed cloud-based file storage. A business can also migrate data to the cloud via storage transport devices such as AWS Snowball and Snowmobile, or use AWS Storage Gateway to enable enterprise apps to access cloud data. Databases. The Amazon Relational Database Services, which includes options for Oracle, SQL Server, PostgreSQL, MySQL, MariaDB, and proprietary high performance databases called Amazon Aurora, provides a relational database management system for the AWS users. AWS also offers managed NoSQL databases through Amazon DynamoDB. An AWS customer can use Amazon Elastic Cache and DynamoDB Accelerator as in-memory and real-time data caches for applications. Amazon Redshift offers a data warehouse which makes it easier for data analysis to perform business intelligence BI tasks. Migration hybrid cloud. AWS includes various tools and services designed to help users migrate applications, databases, servers, and data onto its public cloud. The AWS Migration Hub provides a location to monitor and manage migrations from on-premises to the cloud. Once in the cloud, EC2 Systems Manager helps an IT team configure on-premises servers and AWS instances. Amazon also has partnerships with several technology vendors that ease hybrid cloud deployments. VMware Cloud on AWS brings software-defined data center technology from VMware to the AWS cloud. Red Hat Enterprise Linux for Amazon EC2 is the product of another partnership extending Red Hat's operating system to the AWS cloud. Networking. An Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, Amazon VPC, gives an administrator control over a virtual network to use an isolated section of the AWS cloud. AWS automatically provisions new resources within a VPC for extra protection. Admins can balance network traffic with the Elastic Load Balancing ELB service, which includes the application load balancer and network load balancer. AWS also provides a domain name system called Amazon Route S3 that routes end users to application. An IT professional can establish a dedicated connection from an on-premises data center to the AWS cloud via AWS Direct Connect. Developer tools. A developer can take advantage of AWS command line tools and software developer kits SDKs to deploy and manage applications and services. This include the AWS command line interface, which is Amazon's proprietary code interface. A developer can use AWS tools for PowerShell to manage cloud services from Windows environments. Developers can use AWS Services Application Model to simulate an AWS environment to test Lambda functions. AWS SDKs are available for a variety of platforms and programming languages, including Java, PHP, Python, Node.js, Ruby, C++, Android, and iOS. Amazon API Gateway enables a development team to create, manage, and monitor custom application program interface APIs that let applications access data or functionality from back-end services. API Gateway manages thousands of concurrent API calls at once. API also provides a packaged media transcoding service, Amazon Elastic Transcoder, and a service that visualizes workflows for microservices based applications, AWS step functions. A development team can also create continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines with services like Code Pipeline, Code Build, Code Deploy, and Code Star. A developer can also code in Git repositories with AWS Code Commit and evaluate the performance of microservices based applications with AWS X-Ray. Management and monitoring. An admin can manage and track cloud resource configuration via AWS config and AWS config rules. Those tools, along with AWS Trusted Advisor, can help an IT team avoid improperly configured and needlessly expensive cloud resource deployment. AWS provides several automation tools in its portfolio. An admin can automate infrastructure provisioning via AWS Cloud Formation templates and also use AWS Aws Works and Chef to automate infrastructure and system configuration. An AWS customer can monitor resource and application health with Amazon Cloud Watch and the AWS Personal Health Dashboard, as well as use AWS CloudTrail to retain user activity and API calls for auditing. Security and governance. AWS provides a range of services for cloud security, including AWS Identity and Access Management, which allows admins to define and manage user access to resources. An admin can also create a user directory with Amazon Cloud Directory or connect cloud resources to an existing Microsoft Active Directory with the AWS Directory Service. Additionally, the AWS Organization Service enables a business to establish and manage policies for multiple AWS accounts. Amazon Web Services has also introduced tools that automatically assess potential security risk. Amazon Inspector analyzes an AWS environment for vulnerabilities that might impact security and compliance. Amazon uses machine learning (ML) technology to protect sensitive cloud data. AWS also includes tools and services that provide software and hardware based encryption, protect against DDoS attacks, provision secure sockets layer (SSL) and transport layer security (TLS) certificate, and filter potentially harmful traffic to web applications. The AWS Management Console is a browser based graphical user interface (GUI) for AWS. The Management Console can be used to manage resources in cloud computing, cloud storage, and security credentials. The AWS Console interfaces with all AWS resources. Big data management and analytics. AWS includes a variety of big data analytics and application services. This includes Amazon Elastic Map Reduce, which offers a Hadoop framework to process large amount of data. Amazon Kinesis, which provides several tools to process and analyze streaming data. AWS Glue, which is a service that handles extract, transform, and load jobs. Amazon Elasticsearch service enables a team to perform application monitoring, log analysis, and other tasks with the open source Elasticsearch tool. Amazon Athena for S3, which allows analysis to query data. Amazon QuickSight, which help analysis visualize data. Artificial intelligence. AWS offers a range of AI model development and delivery platforms as well as packaged AI based application. The Amazon AI suite of tools include Amazon Lex for voice and text chatbot technology, Amazon Polly for text to speech translation, and Amazon recognition for image and facial analysis. AWS also provides technology for developers to build smart apps that rely on machine learning technology and complex algorithms. With AWS Deep Learning Amazon Machine Images (AMIs), developers can create and train custom AI models with clusters of graphics processing units (GPUs) or compute optimized instances. AWS also includes deep learning development frameworks for MXNet and TensorFlow. On the consumer side, AWS technologies power the Alexa voice services, and a developer can use the Alexa skill set to build voice based apps for eco devices. Mobile development. The AWS Mobile Hub offers a collection of tools and services for mobile app developers, including the AWS Mobile SDK, which provides code samples and libraries. A mobile app developer can also use Amazon Cognito to manage user access to mobile apps, as well as Amazon Pinpoint to send push notifications to application and users and then analyze the effectiveness of those communications. Messages and notifications. AWS Messaging Services provide core communication for users and applications. Amazon Simple Queue Service (SQS) is managed message queue that sends, stores and receives messages between components of distributed applications to ensure that the parts of an application work as intended. Amazon Simple Notification Service (SNS) enables a business to send, publish, subscribe message to endpoints such as end users or services. SMS includes a mobile messaging feature that enables push messaging to mobile devices. Amazon Simple Email Service (SES) provides a platform for IT professionals and marketers to send and receive emails. AR and VR, augmented reality and virtual reality. Friend, AWS offers augmented reality AR and virtual reality VR development tools through the Amazon service. Amazon allows users to create AR and VR applications without needing to know programming or create 3D graphics. The service also enables users to test and publish applications in browser. Amazon can be used in 3D web applications, e-commerce and sales applications, marketing, online education, manufacturing, training and game development. AWS can be used for game development. Large game developing companies such as Ubisoft will use AWS service for their games. Like for Honor, AWS can provide services for each part of a game lifecycle. For example, AWS will provide a developer back-end services, analytics and developer tools. Developer tools should help developers in making their game, while back-end services might be able to help with building, deploying or scaling a developer's platform. Analytics might help developers better know their customers and how they pay. The game developers can also store data or host game data on AWS servers. Internet of Things. AWS also has a variety of services that enable the Internet of Things deployment. The Aws IoT service provider provides a back-end platform to manage IoT devices and data ingestion to other AWS storage and database services. The AWS IoT button provides hardware for limited IoT functionality, and AWS brings AWS compute capabilities to IoT devices. Other services. Amazon Web Services has a range of business productivity SaaS options, including the Amazon Chime service enables online video meetings, calls and text-based chats across devices. Amazon Work Docs, Amazon Work Wall, desktop and streaming application services include Amazon Workspace, a remote desktop as a service platform DaaS, and Amazon App Stream, a service that lets a developer stream a desktop application from AWS to an end user's web browser. AWS pricing models and competition. AWS offers a pay-as-you-go model for its cloud services, either on a per hour or per second basis. There is also an option to reserve a set amount of compute capacity at a discounted price for customers who prepay in whole, or who sign up for 1 or 3 year usage commitments. If potential customers can't afford the cost, then AWS Free Tier is another possible avenue for using AWS services. AWS Free Tier allows users to gain first-hand experience with AWS services for free. They can access up to 60% products and start building on the AWS platform free. Free tier is offered in 3 different options: always free, 12-month free and trial. AWS competes primarily with Microsoft Azure, Google and IBM in the public IaaS market. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you friends.